Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where you will find lettering and illustration tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 ways to paint a mandala or any type of artwork if you want to. I'm going to use a stamp from the mandala set. The link will be in the description below as well as a sample if you want to try it out. If you like this kind of tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. The materials I'm using are the iPad Pro 12.9 inches, the Apple Pencil, and the software is called Procreate, which is available in the App Store. I'm going to open the Procreate app. I'm using a screen size Canva. You can use any size that you want. And the colors that I'll be using for this demonstration are these ones. You can use any color that you want. So first of all, I'm going to add a new layer. Just turn this one off. And I'm going to select this color and paint with this color. So tap, hold and drag. On top of it, I'm going to add a new layer. Just going to select the color black and I'm going to choose a stamp from the mandala set. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to stamp it over here and tap, hold and drag to place it over here. So the first method to paint this is actually to select a brush. You can use any default brush. And I'm going to select the round brush from the painting set. I'm going to choose this color over here. So the traditional way is to go with your brush. You can increase the size, decrease the size, and go and paint your mandala. So you can do that, but for example, what can happen is you can go over your mandala and you don't want this to happen. So a way to do that and don't go over the lines is go to the layer of your stamp or your drawing, click on select. So it's gonna select your drawing, in this case the mandala. I'm gonna click invert and I'm gonna tap on the brush. And now what happens is that I can paint, if I don't wanna go like if I wanna speed up the process, I can really paint and it will not go over my lines over here. It will paint this bit over here. So you can do that this way. You can also use the same technique, and if you don't want to have it on the same layer, you can add a new layer just for the painting and you can paint this as well. So what happens is if I turn this one off, as you can see, it will only paint the bits that are not selected. And this is very practical if then in the future you want to change the colors of your, just of this layer over here. So let me turn this one on. Another way to do this is to go to the layers and this bit over here, and we want to paint only this bit. So what you can do is tap, hold and drag to fill this bit, and you can keep going, or you can click on continue filling, move this cursor over here to your color and then keep going. So if this happens, reduce the flow over here and keep going. Keep painting your mandala or your piece of art. So over here. And there we go. We've quickly painted this mandala using this technique. Another cool way to paint this quickly is, I'm using the same example, but this time I've merged the mandala with the background. I'm gonna go to my selection over here and I'm gonna choose automatic. I'm gonna turn this option here, color fill on. I'm gonna select my color over here and now I'm just gonna tap and paint this really quickly. Like this. And we are done. I have demonstrated 3 ways to paint a mandala or any artwork using Procreate. I've used a stamp from the mandala set as an example. If you want to check this set, a link will be in the description below as well as a sample if you want to try it out. If you think that this tutorial was useful, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe so that you can be notified when a new tutorial is published. If you decide to try this tutorial and share it on social media, make sure to tag me so that I can send you some love. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, happy drills and illustrations!